in the basement. The house was built in 1945.
Uh-huh.
In the basement, they had, guess the cast iron pipe just crumbled.
Mm-hmm.
So what they did is they grabbed it from the stack and then they went the whole perimeter up in PVC, back down. It looks horrible.
Oh, I bet it
But I'm
does.
sure it was less expensive than digging up their own basement.
I'm sure it was. But I'm sure it doesn't look all that great, like you said.
No.
Now all these connections are off just from the settling, you know. But as you can see, it's pretty darn clear. Now here's where it goes to the taps into the sewer. Right. Well, can't really see it, but right over here is where I'm gonna be able to see it, I guess. All right.